Welcome to the Active Buyers section of our website. If you're ready to explore a vibrant community of companies actively purchasing properties, you've come to the right place. Discover active buyers on our platform through our Active Buyer listing, featuring companies actively involved in property acquisitions over the last 12 months. For sellers, this resource is invaluable for identifying motivated buyers ready to make moves within their subscribed out codes. Whether you're selling a property or staying updated on potential buyers in the market, our Active Buyer listing serves as your essential tool, streamlining the process of connecting with eager purchasers. First, click on the Active Buyers tab from the dashboard. Here, you'll find everything you need to know about our Active Buyers offerings. Here, you'll find a curated list of dynamic companies that have recently acquired properties within the last 12 months. It's like having a pulse on the market's heartbeat. These are not just any companies, they're movers and shakers in the real estate world. Whether you're a seller seeking potential buyers or simply curious about the latest trends, our Active Buyer listing is your ultimate resource. Each entry provides valuable insights into the company's recent purchases, giving you a glimpse into their strategies and interests. Ready to take the next step? Click on any listing to explore further and connect with motivated buyers who are eager to make moves in the market. So, what are you waiting for? Connect with active property buyers today and unlock a world of opportunities.